Hello, Morgan with the Proven Customer Care team here, and today I'm going to show you how to complete your Brookstone work orders using the Proven system and setting up some options so that you can QA the results in Proven before you publish them over to Brookstone. So as you can see, I've logged into my Proven account and I already have some Brookstone orders in here. And Brookstone initially sends options to Proven so that when the work order is completed in the mobile app, all of the items will automatically upload to Proven and relay to their system. If you want to go ahead and QA the results first, then we will need to change those options so that the photos will upload from the Proven mobile app and then stop in your Proven Online account for review. So I'm going to come over here to work types. And work types are basically project templates that you can use to change options, add tasks, auto assign users to specific orders. So they're a pretty big, powerful tool. So we're going to go ahead and create a work type so that I can QA my Brookstone photos. So I'm going to go ahead and name this work type Brookstone QA. And all we need to do here is change the status so that it's blank. And then we're going to come down here to options. We are going to change the mark complete mode option to status, and we are going to turn auto relay off. And those are the only two options that we need to change in order to QA our results in the office. So I'm going to go ahead and come down here and click Save Work Type. And then if I go back to my projects page, I can go ahead and select my work orders and update them with this new work type so that I have the option to QA the results. And then if I go to the integrations page, I can actually go to my Brookstone integration. And if I click next and then I click next once more, you'll see there's an option to set up a default work type. So I'm going to go ahead and click that drop down and select my Brookstone QA work type that I just created and click Save. Now my integration will import work orders and it will automatically apply the options that I need so that I can QA my results. Now that I have the account set up, I can go ahead and assign my orders out and complete them in the field. So let's take a look at what that's going to look like. Okay, so here I am in the Proven mobile app, and I'm going to go ahead and find the work order that I'm going to complete today. I'm going to go ahead and complete this work order here, so I'll select that. And once that work order opens, I'm able to see the work order number, the property address, a map of where I am in reference to the property. And if I scroll down, I can see I have some tasks listed here, and then I do have a required check-in. So I'm going to go ahead and complete my check-in first. So as soon as I get to the property, I'll click check-in required. You'll see that I already have a badge number listed here that has been saved to my online profile. If you do not have anything listed here, then you'll want to click this little person with the plus button, or you might just see a plus button here. Once you do that, that will open up a window where you can enter your background check number. So you'll go ahead and enter that information there and click Save. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. You do have the ability to add multiple badge numbers here, so if you have multiple people working on the project with you, then you can add each one of their badge numbers. Once you have all the correct badge numbers in there, you'll go ahead and click Next at the bottom. That's going to take you to a mobile form. This is something that the Aspen Grove system is attaching to the check-in. You can read their code of conduct by clicking that link there. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and click Close, and then you'll need to go through and answer all of the red required questions. So you'll just make sure to scroll through and answer all of those questions. And then once you get to the very bottom, you'll be able to click Submit to submit that survey. And then once we're done, we'll be taken back to the projects page. And now you can see I have a green check mark, so that means the check-in was successful. Now I'm going to go to my task list and you'll see I have two tasks, one that's a photo bucket and then one that's a mobile form that will ask required questions. If you want, you can go ahead and just go into the photo bucket and take the pictures of the work that you're completing. So we'll go ahead and click that task. That's going to launch my camera, or I can go ahead and I can take the photos for the work that's being completed. Once I am done, I'm going to click the back button and that's going to take me back to the project. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the required mobile form. So I'll go ahead and open that up. And again, you'll see there are some red questions that we need to answer because they're required. And as I answered this first question, you'll see it opened up a spot for me to add photos. So you can add photos here if you want. It's not required, it's optional. If you did not take photos in the photo bucket, or if you want to take additional photos, you can go ahead and click the camera icon. That is, of course, going to launch the camera so you can take some more photos. Once you're done, you can go back. If you did take the photos in the photo bucket, then you can click this icon right next to the camera that looks like a picture of a house. That's going to take us to the project gallery, where you'll be able to see all of the photos that you've taken on the project. You can go ahead and select the photos that you want to associate to that question. Once you're done, you'll click that back arrow. That'll take you back into the survey, where you'll just need to make sure that you answer, again, all of those required questions. Now, as you can see, all of the required questions have been answered, so I'll go ahead and click the blue Submit button. Now we're taken back to the projects page, and now you can see I have a green box with the photo count here to show that the survey was successfully submitted. And I even have some extra photos in the photo bucket. So now I have completed all of the requirements on this work order. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the green complete button and confirm that I want to mark this project as complete. Now, as you see, the status of the order did change to complete. And if I go to my project list and refresh the list here, I can scroll down to my completed section and I can see that completed work order. So that has uploaded everything to the Proven website. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the website to see what the next steps are. So now that we're back in the Proven website, I'm going to refresh that page. And here's the work order that I just completed in the field. As you can see, it has a status of complete. I'm going to go ahead and click on that picture count, and we will be able to see the photos that I took in the mobile app, as well as the mobile form and the check-in. Once I have QA'd the results, I can go ahead and publish the results. If there's anything that I want to delete or I don't want to send to Brookstone, I can go ahead and select those items and click Action with Selected, Delete. Once I have everything QA'd, I'm going to click Select All and Publish Selected to both. And that will send them to your client Brookstone, as well as to any extra add-ons that you might have set up under the add-ons page. If we refresh this page, we'll see that the items will start publishing. Now we can see all of the items have been published, so that means they've successfully relayed over to Brookstone. If we go back to our projects page and we refresh the page once more, we will see that that order has now been closed. That update came from the Brookstone system. They received all of the items and sent a closed status to Proven. So that order is completed and proven and just ready for invoicing in the iProperty system. If you have any questions or if you're needing any help with setting up your Proven account to QA your Brookstone results before they relay, please reach out to our customer care team. You can send a quick email to helpdesk@proven.com or give us a call at 512-244-9511 extension 4. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your day.